Hi 6th grade, welcome to our video on ratio reasoning. This is a review as well. It's our third screencast for the week on ratios. Make sure that you have the title, your name, date, and math. Our objective is I can use ratio reasoning to solve mathematical problems. We're basically going to be practicing problems that ask us which is the better buy. And your hint, please write this down, is for these problems, figure out the unit rates. How much it would cost for one of each item. Example A. Hot Cheetos are $4.57 for 3 pounds and Takis are $8.72 for 6 pounds. So I'm going to figure out my unit rates for both of these, and then if I know how much it costs for 1 pound of Hot Cheetos and 1 pound of Takis, I can tell you which is the better buy. So in order to do that, I need to divide by 3 and 3 for my Hot Cheetos, then divide by 6 and divide by 6 for my Takis. For these problems only, I'm giving you the option if you'd like to use a calculator, only for today, because it's not about knowing long division, it's about the process for figuring out your unit rates. So I have 4 and 57 hundredths divided by 3. That would be about $1.52 for my Hot Cheetos for 1 pound. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1. So there's my unit rate here. And here's the start of my Takis unit rate. For my Takis, we are doing $8.72 divided by 6. And it would be about $1.45. So what is the better deal for 1 pound? Takis. Example B. For 15 pounds of coffee beans at Starbucks, I would pay $60. And for 5 pounds of coffee beans at Dutch Bros, I would pay $30. So which is the better buy? Let's start by finding our unit rates. So I'm going to divide by 15 for my Starbucks to figure out how much it would cost for 1 pound of coffee. And for Dutch Bros, I'm going to divide by 5 to figure out how much it would be for 1 pound of coffee. These numbers are a little bit more compatible, so we probably don't need a calculator. For Starbucks and Dutch Bros, 60 divided by 15 is 4. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the better buy would be Starbucks. The main trick here, besides finding out the cost for one, is to make sure that you're dividing by the same number, and sometimes you'll be multiplying by the same number, in the top and the bottom. For your guided practice, pause this, work with a partner, check your answers. Challenge yourself. Maybe you're going to try the long division for one of them, use calculator for the other, maybe do long division for both. Which is the better buy? Gasoline at Circle K or Shell? Tacos at Taco Bell or Del Taco? When you're ready, you can press play and check the solutions below. Here are the solutions for your problems. The better buy for C would be Shell, and for D would be Del Taco. Make sure that you're noting what I divided by in each of these. And now it's time for your independent practice on your own, on a separate piece of paper. Put it on the standing table when you're done. For E, cookies, and D, gasoline. Thanks for an awesome screencast.